This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, built in 2020, offers the perfect blend of modern comfort and peaceful country living. Spanning approximately 1,550 square feet, the home sits on over 6 private acres, offering both space and seclusion. Step inside to discover a bright and open floor plan, highlighted by 9-foot ceilings throughout, with an impressive 10-foot ceiling in the great room that adds to the airy and spacious feel. The great room features a stunning wood-burning fireplace, perfect for cozy evenings, and large windows that bring in natural light and offer serene views of the surrounding landscape. The open concept design connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas, making it ideal for entertaining or relaxed family living. The kitchen is designed with functionality and style in mind, offering ample cabinetry and modern appliances. The primary suite includes a private bath and generous closet space, while the 2 additional bedrooms provide flexibility for guests, family, or a home office. A fully floored attic adds valuable storage or potential.